The field of data science is booming. There is no doubt about that. As more and more companies invest in their data assets, data scientists are in high demand. What's the demand like? Salaries for entry-level data scientists are already over $100,000 in popular US cities like New York, Boston, and San Francisco. The average salary for a data scientist is $144,481 per year in the United States, and a data scientist's salary in India ranges between 4.5 lakhs to 25.9 lakhs, with an average annual wage of rupees 10.6 lakhs. If you're interested in this high-paying domain, you need to start working on your data science skills sooner rather than later. Have you always wanted to be a data scientist but don't know how to start? Data science can be scary and complicated for those who don't have a lot of experience with programming. However, with the right course, becoming a data scientist is possible for everyone. We have analyzed some of the best online courses in data science, so you don't have to spend countless hours scoring the internet finding credible sources. One of those courses which can help you become a successful data scientist is Udacity's Become a Data Scientist Nanodegree program. The Data Scientist Nanodegree program on Udacity has been rated 4.7 out of 5 after 1000 plus reviews. That's a good one. And this is an advanced level program. So having prior experience with Python, SQL and statistics will be helpful. In this 4 months nanodegree program, you will learn how to succeed as a data scientist by developing the required abilities. You will work on projects created by professionals in the field and gain knowledge on how to run data pipelines, plan experiments, create recommendation systems, and implement cloud-based solutions. By using their tailor-made learning plans, you can learn at your own pace and reach your personal goals on the schedule that works best for you. So it's completely flexible. Skills covered in this Data Scientist Nanodegree program on Udacity includes, but not limited to, machine learning, deep learning, software engineering. Udacity's Become a Data Scientist Nanodegree program consists of 5 courses, and at the end of each course, you will be required to work on a project which will automatically enhance your technical skills. Let's see what are those courses and what you can learn from it. First, solving data science problems. In this course, you will learn the data science processes, including how to build effective data visualizations and how to communicate with various stakeholders. Second, software engineering for data scientists. In this course, you will develop software engineering skills that are essential for data scientists, such as creating unit tests and building classes. Third, data engineering for data scientists. You will learn to work with data through the entire data science process, from running pipelines, transforming data, building models, and deploying solutions to the cloud in this course. Fourth, experiment design and recommendations, in which you will learn to design experiments and analyze A or B test results. And you will also explore approaches for building recommendation systems. Fifth, data science projects. As you might know from the title, this is where you will leverage what you have learned throughout the program to build your own open-ended data science project. This project will serve as a demonstration of your valuable abilities as a data scientist. In this course series and projects, you can expect to learn the most advanced level concepts involved in data science. And after completing this nanodegree program, you can earn a verified certificate from Udacity, and you can share it in LinkedIn, attach it to your resume, or add wherever you want. Check the link in description to know more about Udacity's Become a Data Scientist Nanodegree program and its current price. For those who enroll in the Data Scientist Nanodegree program, Udacity offers technical mentor support through which their expert mentors will be answering your questions, motivating you, and will keep you on track. Additionally, you'll have access to GitHub portfolio review and LinkedIn profile optimization services from Udacity to help you advance your career. Would you like to see what people are saying about this nanodegree program? Take a look at these reviews from people who actually took this data scientist nanodegree program on Udacity. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in description and become a data scientist by enrolling in this Become a Data Scientist Nanodegree program today.